Today we will be reviewing the Personal Alarm Mini Bee by Bear Gentleman. It comes packaged in this little box, and here it actually is. It's a little cute bee design, plush. It has a clip so that you can put it onto a bag, or you can put it onto your keychain if you want. But the actual thing is this alarm. You don't want... Okay, so that was probably pretty loud, and the idea is when you pull it, that's what happens constantly until you put it back in. So, it can go for 45 minutes. So that's pretty loud. The idea of this thing is if you're ever in a dangerous situation, a person attacking you, and they grab you, they might be grabbing you by the mouth and you can't scream, you can pull this unsuspecting bee plush and... Oh, that took a while. If it doesn't just straight up get any person threatening you to run off, because that's really painful to listen to, it'll without any doubt notify anyone in the area. So we're going to test this outside just to see how loud it is outside. The other lure of this is it comes with instructions for an app called Bear Safe. Now it has multiple different functions. One of them is you can call for help if you hold this. We're not doing that right now, but it'll send it to an emergency contact, which you can and choose here by modifying the designated contact. You also have a flashlight, which is kind of weird considering all of these smartphones already have them. But you also have two more annoying things to ring off to notify people in the area. A woman's cry for help. Enough of that. Or police sirens. You also have GPS. Yes, it's just Google Maps. You can see it there. So, and when you do this call for help, it'll send it to your designated contact. It'll send them the notification from the Bear Gentleman app, and it'll give them your current location with help of Google Earth, or Maps. And yeah, that is the Mini Bee alarm from Bear Gentleman.